Climate change is leading to more intense and frequent extreme events, making infrastructure more vulnerable. To mitigate these risks, Sistra proposes Climateplus, a solution that anticipates the climate change trends facing your infrastructure. How does it work? 1. Select the geographical area to be analyzed. 2. Draw or import your infrastructure. 3. Choose the climate indicators and the required format for your maps. 4. Assess climate evolution over 3-time horizon 2050, 2070, 2100. 2. IPCC climate change scenario. Why use Climateplus? Visualize long-term evolution of climate conditions. Inform your feasibility and environmental impact studies. Feed your risk analysis. Use data from IPCC validated climate models and go beyond the simple approach based on historical data. A solution with easy access to results and a customized approach with our experts. Anticipate climate change with Climateplus.